In order to restore backup from Google Drive or Google account on your Google Pixel 10 Pro XL, if you already went through the initial configuration, then in that case you can open the settings. Now over here we can scroll down a little bit and choose backup or copy data, and then in here we have copy data using Android Switch. In here we want to press start, and then in the bottom left corner we have restore from backup, and then you should be able to see if you have any backups on your account. Let's press next. There we go. And of course, we will be using the main account that is assigned, that is logged into, that you are logged into on your Pixel 10 Pro XL. You can also restore the backup during the first setup, which is pretty similar to what you can see over here. So if you see copy apps and data screen, then in that case you want to tap on next. I don't really remember if you are signed into your Google account at this point, but of course you will have to do that. So there is a chance that you either will have the sign-in page to your Google account before you see this screen, or you will see it after tapping on the next over here. Regardless, of course, you have to log into your account, and then you should be able to choose a backup if you have one on your account. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.